Tired of the endless email ping-pong to book just one meeting? Calendly is your secret weapon to reclaim your time and sanity. Calendly is a revolutionary platform that eliminates the headache of scheduling appointments instead of siphoning away precious minutes drafting emails. You simply share a link, and others can pick a time that works for them. Directly from your calendar's available slots, think of it as your personal booking assistant, working 24/7. Let's dive into how easy it is first. You'll want to create an event type. This is where you define the core of your meeting. Its name, like discovery call or client check-in, and the duration. You can set a 30-minute slot, an hour, or even a custom time. Next, and this is crucial, you'll set your availability. Tell Calendly exactly when you're open for bookings. You can specify days of the week, specific hours, and even block off certain times. Calendly then automatically checks your connected calendar like Google Calendar or Outlook to ensure it only shows times you're truly free. Once your event type is set up, you get a unique Calendly link for it. This is what you'll share with anyone who needs to book time with you, whether it's on your website, in an email signature, or directly in a message. That link is your scheduling gateway. When someone clicks your link, they'll see your available time slots based on the event type and your connected calendar. They simply pick a slot that works for them, enter their details, and boom! The meeting is booked on both of your calendars simultaneously. With no back and forth required, it's that seamless. From sales professionals lining up demos to freelancers managing client consultations, or even just coordinating with friends for coffee, Calendly streamlines the entire process. It's a massive time saver, reduces errors, and makes you look incredibly organized, a true productivity booster.